Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great in our collection. A pre-owned 2017 Audi A4. This Audi is powered by all-wheel drive, 2.0-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 96,767 miles. Experience luxury and performance with our 2017 Audi A4. Immaculate condition, advanced tech features, and sleek design. A reliable car that perfectly blends style and comfort. Act now to make this beauty yours. This pre-owned A4 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, heated rear seats, heated windshield, push-button start, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control. To keep you entertained, this Audi A4 is equipped with Bluetooth, navigation, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, lane departure warning, backup camera, ABS brakes, lane keep system, park assist, active safety system, daytime running light. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.